What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the keyboard input delay you are getting when gaming on Windows. If your keyboard is responding slowly when typing or gaming, there are a few things you can adjust to fix the issue. First, open up your settings by searching for it in your Start menu and hitting Enter. Once here, go to Accessibility. From the Accessibility menu, select Keyboard and find Filter Keys. If this option is turned on, disable it. Filter keys can cause delayed keystrokes by slowing down the keyboard's response rate. If the issue persists, adjust your keyboard settings. Use the shortcut Windows key and R to open the Run dialog box. Type Ctrl Keyboard and hit Enter. In the Keyboard Properties window, look for the Repeat Rate slider. If it's set to slow, drag it all the way to fast. Click Apply and then OK and test your keyboard again. If your keyboard delay is caused by system corruption, running a system scan can help. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, use the command sfc/scan now. This will scan your system for corrupted files and repair them. Wait for the process to complete and then restart your PC to check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, updating your keyboard driver might help. Search for Device Manager in the Start menu and open it. Expand the keyboard section and right-click on HID Keyboard Device. Select Update Driver and then choose Browse my computer for drivers. Next select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose HID Keyboard Device and then click Next. After the installation is complete, restart your computer and check if the keyboard is now responding faster. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.